Good evening, Principal Ma'am, and also to the tutor team.
Hi all. Suvit, you're there?
Yes, sir.
Suvit, yeah. I'm in. Suvit, I'm in. Log in. I think we have only 14 people now. Let more people join. We have to wait for 150. Good evening, all teachers. I'll have to say this again.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, who all were there for the Sunday meeting? Just raise your hand, that's it.
Hi, ma'am. Good evening. Is Elizabeth ma'am about to say something? Elizabeth ma'am.
Joseph, I think your audio is
also
slightly
audible.
feeble.
Hello.
Joseph's audio is slightly feeble. Jessida's there? Okay. Great.
Okay, ma'am. We'll wait for 5 minutes. No issues.
Suvit,
Yeah, yes, sir. I'm here.
Suvit, Elizabeth, John, who are they?
Elizabeth is here, sir.
Just show your face, Elizabeth, if you can. Okay. Hi. Then where's John? John, you're there? Vishnu's there?
Hello,
Hi,
good
John.
evening.
Hi, John. Hi, John.
Hi, Mahesh sir.
Okay, Vishnu's there? Okay, we'll switch off the video and then start in another 7 minutes. Okay.
Good evening, all of you.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, everyone.
Somebody, can you enable my screen share?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir, not it.
Suvit, I wanted to show my screen.
Joseph, can you do
Yes,
that?
sir. Yes, sir. Come on.
Make him the host. Make him the co-host.
Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
On the left,
Yes, sir.
I'll introduce us beta team according to the seniority. This is Mahesh here. Then we have Jashita. Then we have Mrs. Elizabeth and Mr. Vishnu. This is our team, okay? And I will also show you who Infusory is. Infusory was started in 4 years back, right? Right?
Yes, sir.
6 years back. 6 years back. Sir.
6 years back. Okay. They were okay. They started when they were in the first year of engineering, right? Second year in engineering. Okay. This is Thompson here, Shyam Pradeep Ali, and Adil Khan. We have Suvit here today. This is Suvit. Can you see him?
Yeah, yeah, it's okay, sir.
Can you see the screens?
Yeah. Screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So, I think, can you mute yourselves, whoever is talking, please mute and talk. No? Thank you. I welcome you all today for today's session. And we have some dignitaries on the school side. Let me just finish off this screen share. Is not, my video is not full screen. View. How do you make it?
Stop sharing, sir. Click on stop sharing.
Okay. Now you can see me, right? Okay. Now that was our team, and Infusory was started 6 years back, 2015, and they started off with virtual reality display systems, virtual reality goggles, and they were also in the corporate for development of augmented reality videos for airlines and other companies. Now, during the COVID, commercial operations stopped, and they came into the what do you call, the education side. So this is their corporate social responsibility, you can say that, and it developed into a product, and now we are introducing it. Many schools have, I think, Suvit would acknowledge me if I say we have more than 50 schools using it, right?
Currently, somewhere around 100, sir. So today the count has reached 100.
Oh, that's excellent. Every day you are keeping on growing, and you have reached 100. Congratulations for that. And congratulations, Joseph, for the recent closure of 150 licenses. Okay. Now, today's agenda is we will see the product completely. Last day, there were too many people, I think 400, 450 people. We couldn't explain the product completely. Joseph is an excellent presenter on that, on the technical side. So Joseph, can you, I think you can show your face also. And Suvit also can show your face. Hi, Joseph. So everybody say hi to him. He'll take you through 45 minutes or maybe 1 hour. And I understand Suvit is driving. He's a sales strategist, the company, and he works even when he's sleeping. That is how he works. And welcome all. Welcome Principal Meenakshi ma'am and the board of directors who Srinivasan sir was supposed to be there. And we will start with I think my time is over, 5 minutes. We'll start with the product presentation. Over to Joseph. Joseph, please.
Thank you. So welcome teachers. My name is Joseph. I'm the BD at Infusory Future Tech Labs. On behalf of my team, I would like to thank this institution for for giving us an opportunity to showcase tutor application. So without further ado, let us go into a PowerPoint first. From there, we'll be jumping into our application. So let us start with the PowerPoint. I hope my PowerPoint is visible to everybody, right? So if you have any comments, you can just comment it in the chat box. We will be responding it. So let us start. So Tute AR. Tute AR means teacher with augmented reality. And let the teachers reinvent. What it means that we believe that every teacher has got this unique skill of teaching and presenting this particular content and make them understand. So this is known as teachers, let the teachers reinvent. And when we come on to our company, I'll just give you a brief introduction about that. We are people who are into augmented reality, virtual reality, and mixed reality technologies for the past 6 years. And one of our biggest clients is Singapore Airlines. We've been doing simulating softwares for them. So those are our biggest clients, and we've been doing learning campaigns and marketing campaigns also. So I'll be showing you a video, then let us go into the rest. So this is the video of our company. So this is Tute AR. This was our company video. And what is augmented reality? So there are two types of them. That is, one is augmented reality and one is virtual reality. Augmented reality is somewhere in my reality, I am able to place an object next to me or over me. But virtual reality is something where you will need to have a glass kind of an object where you can experience a 3D surface, where you can experience a 3D. So there are three types of augmented technologies in our market. The first one is the ground plane technology, where you'll have to scan the ground and an image will be popping up. The second one is a marker-based technology, where you will have to scan that particular marker, then only the image will be popping up. The third one is an on-screen AR. That is our technology, and we are the people who have invented it. And I'll be showing you it while I am presenting the content, the software. So what are the problems that we are facing today, teachers? So which software do you use for your online conferencing? Is it Google Meet or Zoom or Teams?
Zoom, sir.
Zoom, sir.
Zoom.
Yes, ma'am. So I think, yeah, sorry. Yeah. So while you're using Zoom, you can actually see that your face actually goes to a corner, isn't it? And the content is actually present fully. So what happens is that there is a less teacher-student interaction happening. Not only that, by time the student gets zoned out very faster. So in order to avoid that, we actually thought of bringing out something good. Okay. So I'll just go to the next slide, and let us go back into the days where we used to go to school. So we used to bring all these teaching aids, right? Like this triangles and rectangles and all to school. And we used to teach them that this is the concept, this is how it looks. And we used to go to the class and we used to tell them, isn't it? We used to show them by bringing in these teaching aids. But when it came to online classes, these are not possible. If your school is having all these teaching aids also, it is not practically possible to go to the school and bring them and keeping it back. So that is why, and plus it is having a high production cost. It is hard to maintain. It is having a wear and tear policy, and it's not mobile friendly also. So we thought how to solve it by bringing augmented reality in online classes. So that's how the thing is. And these are some teachers where they use augmented reality in their online classes. As you can see, the object is next to them and they are actually teaching. So there are two types of platforms that we are having. One is a mobile platform where you can use Android phones. This is available in the Play Store, and you will be getting the link in the chat box. The second one is a mobile desktop version where it is compatible for this Windows and Mac OS also. So currently the app, I hope Apple users are there in this, but don't worry, the application will be available in the App Store by next week. So that is what Apple team has promised us. And let us go into the content without further ado. I hope everybody would download it. I'll just give you the link right now so that everybody can download it. I hope everybody has got the link through this chat, right? So once you select that, you will be able to go to our website. I'll just show that. So this is our website. So once you go to our website, there'll be these two options over there. Qt AR Pro, that is for the Android phone. All you have to do is select it and you will be going to the Play Store. The second one is for the desktop, where you'll have to select Windows and a zip file will be downloading. Once the zip file is downloaded, you will have to unzip it and just drag it to your folder, whichever specified folder you want. So this is as simple as it. And now let us go into the application. So I'm just going to stop my screen sharing and yes. So this is our screen, and I hope everybody is able to see my screen, right? So, okay. So you'll be having a username and a password. So once you are able to log in, you will be going through like this kind of tiles. There are tiles from KG to 12 standard. So let us go to KG first, and I will show you alphabet. Let us take alphabet A, letter A. So as you can see, my face is visible, isn't it? And I will just optimize it. Yeah. So my face is visible, and over here you can see the tiles for A. So let us take alphabet A, capital A, and I'm going to place it over here. These two options are there for zooming in and zooming out. So I'm just going to zoom it in and I can actually teach them. Students, this is alphabet A like this. So you are able to represent this and you can actually keep the children there also. Not only that, we do have other contents for A. Let us show how to write A in a 4-line paper. So as you can see, I'm going to place it over here and I'm going to teach. This is alphabet A and this is how you write. Now, while you're actually writing, you can even pause in between by selecting the pause button so that you can actually strike one over here, then strike over there, then strike like this. So you are able to teach them step by step. Not only that, we do have other contents also for A. Let us take A for ant, for instance, and I'm going to place an ant next to my shoulder. So I will just zoom it in first. And these two options are for rotating it clockwise and anti-clockwise. Let us rotate it clockwise. As you can see, the ant is on my shoulders and I'm able to teach. Like this is the ant here. You got 3 legs over here. This is the heart of the ant. This is the head of the ant. Like that, you are able to express the content. Not only that, with this tool, this is an annotation tool. With this, you will be able to mark on top of the ant. See, like this, you will be able to mark like this. So you can actually explain it briefly, which part by which. This is the three ant, the 3 legs of the ant. This is the heart of the ant, and all you are able to teach. So these are some contents that we are having for KG, and similarly, all these contents are there for alpha from A to Z. So let us go to some higher grades. I will just show you some animals also. Let us take animal sound, and I will just show you some elephant that is going to pop up next to my screen. And you are able to say that the elephant is actually coming in and it's actually going to put water on top of me. And I can cross in between also like this. And this is how you are able to teach. So you are able to actually not only engage the class, will be much more that you can make the class much more entertained also. This way you are able to keep the student attentive in the class. So here you have some contents regarding this, and we can go to some higher grades also. Let's go to some higher grades. So I will just take grade 2, for example. Let us take EVS and life cycle of a butterfly. So I'm going to select the tile and I'm going to place it over here. And let us just zoom it in. Meanwhile, I'll say what all are the other tiles used for. So as you can see over this tile over here, what it is used for is because while you raise your right hand, in some cameras, it appears to be your left hand. So in order to avoid that, you can actually select this option. So it actually gets inversed. So this way, the problem is solved. And this one over here, this option is used for actually inversing your camera. Suppose if you're going through a mobile phone, your mobile phone has 2 cams, your front cam and your back cam. And if you want to use your back cam, all you have to do is select that and your back cam is actually present. Since I'm using a desktop, back cam is not there. So I'm not going to use that. This one over here, this is a recording tool, and what you can do is that while you're taking live classes, you can actually simultaneously record your class. The benefit is that those students who are not able to attend a live class, you can actually give this. Not only that, you can make it, you can even keep this recording as a preference for your future classes also. So these are all the contents, these are all the tiles that we are having, and I will just show you what it is. This is actually to hide all these tiles. I will just show you. See, and all these tiles are actually covered. And our butterfly has actually come out and see, and you are able to pause in between, and you can actually teach like pointing up your hand like this. The butterfly is this one, pupa is this one, and all you are able to teach. So these are some good contents that we are having for grade 2, and I will just jump into some higher grades. Let us go into some higher grades, and let me take grade 3 for example. Grade 3, let us take EVS and water cycle. As you can see, water cycle, we have given 3 steps and an overall step over here. So I would like to show you the first step. The water is actually getting evaporated. So I'm going to place it over here. I'm going to zoom it in and I'm going to show this. The water is getting evaporated. The second step is that this evaporated water changes into a big cloud, and I'll just show them. This changes into a big cloud. And the third step, what it is that this cloud actually forms into a rain. So this is what we are having, and I will just show you the overall step that we are having. So this is the overall view of a water cycle that I am having. See, water gets vaporized, it inks into a big cloud, and it goes to this other place and it rains. Just show you. My timing was not correct. Okay. Yeah, like this it rains. So you are able to brief this content. Not only that, you can even mark on top of this animation also, like this. Like this, you are able to show. So these are some tiles that we are having for grade 3. And let us jump into some higher content. Let us take grade 9, for example. So I hope grade 9 teachers are over here, right? Let's take science and let's take Rutherford's model of atom. Now over here in this content, I'm having 2 tiles. The first tile is actually, which is an experiment with Rutherford's made. And I'm just going to zoom it in. And these 2 tiles, I forgot to mention, and these 2 tiles, what they are used is because if you want to tilt this object, suppose for like this, if you want to tilt it, you can actually use it this way or in the other way. Since this is a 3D object, you will have to tilt. And over here, I'm going to remove this and I can actually teach this. After particle actually goes through and hits the gold foil. And once it hits the gold foil, it actually splits and it goes to different directions. And what happens to this gold foil? We are also able to give that content also. I'll just show you. Conclusion of Rutherford's atomic theory. And here it comes. The subject teacher can understand what it is. So gold foil, this is the atomic, this is the alpha particle, and it hits the gold foil and it bounces. So you are able to give a clear concept of what you are saying. Not only that, the students also gets a clear idea of what the concept is. Not a good teacher, but I'm trying to teach at my level best. Okay, so this is the contents that we are having. So let's go to some higher grades. So let us take grade 11, for instance. Okay, grade 11, let us take chemistry. Chemistry, I'm going to go for VSCPR, theory of no lone pair of electrons. There is actually some contents where teachers actually struggle to teach. So here I do have so many types regarding this. I'll just show a few of them. So this is a linear pair that I'm having. This is the animated content of linear pair. See, as you can see, this is actually 180 degree, and this is the first content that we are having. And I'll just show you some tetrahedral also. Tetrahedral is this one. I hope the subject teachers, if there is a subject teacher, she can understand what is the concept is. And 109.5 degree, and you are able to define that particular angle. So these are some kind of a content that we are having for this. Not only that, we got some other contrasts. So octahedral we are also having. I'll just show that one. These are some contents that we are having for this. See, and now let us go to some higher contents. So let us take grade 12. So I would like to jump into now grade 12. Now let us take physics. Now it is locked down, right? So you are not able to go to this lab and do lab experiments. So we do have some lab experiments that is augmented also. I will just show them. Let us take potentiometer, for example. This is actually a potentiometer that I'm having. I'm going to place it over here. This is a lab experiment that the school used to conduct for their board exams. So as you can see, you can actually show them how a lab experiment works and how this system works. So this is an augmented part, and you can actually teach what is what. This is the voltmeter, this is the battery, and this is things that is related to it, and you can actually go with it. And you can even say that this is how it works. While you drag, the volt actually changes, and the concept is the concept really very clear for the student once they are able to see this. So these are all the contents that we are having, and I will just show you some other content also. Take grade 10, I will just show you a human heart. So this is actually the human heart that I'm having, which is a live animation. So I'm just going to zoom it in and I'm going to teach like this. This is the human heart. This is how it looks. And I'm going to rotate it at 360 degrees like this. See, you are able to see all the angles. Not only that, we do have, and you can even mark on top of it. Okay. You can even mark on top of it like this, like this, like this. You are able to mark on top of it. So these are all the types that we are having. Not only that, if you want to go inner part also, we do have. Is somebody annotating on top of this? Sorry. Yeah. So we do have annotate. So we can annotate on top of this like this. As you can see, I'm just gonna annotate like this. So this is actually the inner part of the heart. The inner part of the heart. So like these type of contents we are having also. So these are all the content, these are some of the contents that we are having. So since teachers, if they are teaching something which is out of the box, definitely there will be teachers who teach something which is out of the box. So there is this your content option over here. You will have to select this. So once you select it, you can actually select your own contents from which you have actually created or which you have. It should be a JPG image or a PNG image. So I'll just go. Coronavirus is something which is out of the box, right? So I would like to show something which is related to coronavirus. All I have to do is download it, download the image from Google, and I will have to paste it like this. See? So I'm able to get a clear image of coronavirus, and I am able to teach them. Children, this is coronavirus. Not only that, we can upload so many things in this. Yeah. So we do have a lot of contents in this. And if there is a language teacher, they want to suppose Hindi is actually a language. And if you want to express it, all you have to do is take a photo of that textbook and just upload it like this. So here, what you can do is you can actually talk, you can actually look into the content and you can actually speak. Not only that, while you are speaking also, you can ask one of your students to come up and read that particular textbook. Not only that, if you want to actually annotate on top of this also, you can actually annotate. So I'm just going to annotate, like there will be lines which are most important in a certain chapter. Is it if it is a poetry or if it is a story, there will be this certain line. So I'm just going to annotate this one. I'm going to highlight this like this. See, I'm able to give a brief definition of how to highlight my own content. So that is also possible. This is also possible like this. So these are some of the highlights that we are having. And not only that, we can do many things also in this. So these are something which language teachers are able to do. And I will just take some contents in English also. This is the Hindi content that I was having. And I will just show you something which is regarding English and mathematics also I will be showing. This is actually an English textbook that I was having. The last lesson. If +2 teachers are there, they can actually understand which lesson is this. Yeah. So as you can see, if I can teach, if I want to teach lessons also, I can actually teach like this. See, the text box is near me. I am also able to teach. Not only that, I am able to annotate on top of this. And if I want a particular student to read out loudly, also I can ask that particular student, please read out this loudly. Not only that, this is possible in this. And he doesn't have to look into the book and speak. He just have to see at the monitor and speak. So his presence will be there by looking into the camera. So these are all the things that we are having. Yeah. So I'm just looking into the chat and there are so many comments, English subjects. So these are some kind of English subjects that we are able to use. And we are having mathematics also. I will just show you how to, so mathematics is full of problems, isn't it? This is actually a physics textbook that I'm having, but still, I just want to deliver the concept. So if you want to focus on a particular problem, what you have to do is zoom into that particular problem. Let's just take 9.8 for instance. I'm going to take 9.8. I'm going to zoom into that particular problem over here. See, and I'm able to speak out loudly. Like this is step number 1. This is step number 2. And I can use this annotation tool also for that. Like this, step number 1, step number 2. And I can actually teach them step by steps. Not only that, we can actually correct the common mistakes also. If some students are there, if they want to actually correct it, suppose if it is ascending order, I will come into that, how to do that. So these are all the possibilities that we are having in this. So let us go to, and I do have some worksheets also. If you want to upload worksheets, we can actually upload worksheets. So there are English teachers and other teachers also who gives worksheets to their students, right? And if you want to write on top of it also, you can actually write on top of it, or you can actually annotate on top of it. Like this is A for rat, and here we can put another content, A apple. This is only possible in English, but you are able to do like this, A rat and apple, like that you are able to give them. So the thing is that you can actually write on top of this also. So these are some contents that we are actually having. We can actually do like this also in worksheets. Sorry. Yeah, so this is how we are able to do it. And I will just show you some other types also. Other types of, what do you say? Worksheets that we are having. If you want to upload a maths worksheet, you can actually upload a maths worksheet also like this. And you can actually teach them. This is how you do it. And if there is a common mistake, you can actually give them. Okay. You can actually give them that, you can actually show them that particular mistake if they are making. Suppose suppose this 9 is a common mistake that children is making. You can actually annotate in this 9 and you can actually say, this is a common mistake. So here you are able to solve that also to everybody. Not only that, if you want to appreciate a student also, you can actually give them by putting 3 stars over there. Like this. We used to do that when we used to have it when we are young, right? Students, we used to give them these stars if they do it great. So we are able to give an appreciation for that particular student by uploading the content in this. So this is also possible in this. So there are numerous possibilities in this. These are all the possibilities that I was saying. There are numerous possibilities in this. So is there any teacher who wants to actually speak out? They can actually speak out if they're having any doubt. Regarding the application, is there any teachers who are having any doubt? They can actually unmute and speak.
Sir, please show mathematics, sir.
Mathematics, we don't have the augmented content of mathematics, but we can upload like this contents so that but we are actually working on it also. Like mathematics, some content is there, geometry is also there. So we are actually working on it. So you can expect it by the next update. All these contents will be arriving in augmented form.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
In my project, while I'm making my project, if I have to add a GIF video of the section, the cross section of the heart, if I want to add it to my project, then I'm not able to. Yeah, that's
project,
not an issue.
do you mean like in your content you want to add next project over it? Okay, okay.
Yeah,
The
there's
thing
an
is that
option your project. So when I'm making my project, I want to add the cross section of the heart, taking it from the Google.
Okay.
The GIF video. But I'm not able to do that.
Ma'am, you won't be able to do that because you said like you have to first select your content option, isn't it? So you have to first you have to put the project, and then over that you want to actually overlap the heart, isn't it? That is what you're saying, right?
Yes.
Okay, you can't actually do that because that are two images, but we are actually working on it where you will be able to merge two images. Like if you want to put a heart over here and if you want to put another content, we are actually working on it also. So you will be able to do that.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, I have downloaded in a laptop, sir. It's asking username and password.
Yes, ma'am. So I will be sharing you the username and password. So right now I'll just go back into the chat.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So here are some, yeah, this is the username and the password that I'm having. So I'll be sharing it to everybody. So by this, you are able to log into your device. So I would actually request any teacher to actually screen share their device so that all other teachers are able to see. Is there any teacher who's able to actually screen share?
Teacher can raise hand and then letter in.
Yeah.
We have to screen share, sir.
How to screen share? Ma'am, there will be an option known as screen share. So you all select it.
Yeah. Yes, yes, I will share.
Okay.
What is the username, sir?
Ma'am, demo 02.
Go to the app, ma'am. Go to the app.
I went, sir. Are you visible now, sir?
Yes, ma'am. So now
password,
type
sir?
tutor, 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 OR at the rate
Yes.
02.
02. 2. So initially it will take some time because it is
Yeah.
taking from the cloud. But once it is loaded, you will be able to get it
It's
in
open,
within
sir.
5 seconds, 5 to 10 seconds. So you can
Yeah,
actually
sir.
choose any content you want.
Sir, I got, sir.
Yes. Could you choose any content?
Okay, sir. Yeah, sir.
Okay.
Visible?
Yeah, it is visible
Are
for us.
visible, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. It is visible for us.
Yeah, sir. I have inquiry, sir. Here only lines and show lines is there, sir.
Yes,
If
ma'am.
you, I am actually I am Kannada teacher.
You are
If I want to my content to want to show, then how can we update here, sir?
Ma'am, okay. You
How
want to
can
show
we
your
that our
yes, ma'am. You want to show your own content. So there is
Yeah,
this
yeah.
your content option over here.
Yeah,
Did you
yeah.
see that orange color? Select it.
Okay, sir.
Once you select it, ma'am, could you select it?
Yes.
Yeah. So once you are selected, we are
We
able to
can-
see here. Yeah, choose images. Now select gallery. So it will be going to the gallery. Now you will be able to check the files whichever you want. You can check.
Yeah.
You can actually take any file. That file you are able to take, and you are able
Yeah.
to zoom in and teach. See?
Yeah. It can be the
So,
page.
yes, ma'am. So
Yeah.
you are able to teach like this.
Yeah.
You can even rotate the image also.
If it's possible, video can we can use video assistant.
I'm sorry.
Video, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
If you want to show video,
Currently you are not able to show videos, but by July, August, you will be definitely able to show video. We are actually
Okay.
bringing in that also in this. So the teacher will be speaking side, there will be a video also if you want to show them.
yeah. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
We can zoom it and we can minimize that.
Yes, ma'am. So you are able to brief the content also.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Yes. So this is how you do it. And is there any teachers having any other doubt? They can actually clarify right now.
Sir, excuse me, this is Vijayalakshmi here. So
Okay,
when
ma'am.
we choose the image from our content, that and we cannot annotate on the top of the image, sir. It is going behind.
Yes, ma'am.
behind the
Use the zooms tool, ma'am. Once you are able to use the zooms tool, you are able to annotate on top of the image, like how I did.
Okay, means separately again we have to download it, sir.
No.
Zoom tool.
No, ma'am. It is there. It is there in your content. It is there on top of the image itself. Suppose if I want to annotate on top of this, this is actually a worksheet that I'm having, and I want to annotate on top of this. So what you have to do is select the annotate tool on Zoom. So there are actually many tools given over there. This is actually a straight line that I'm having. Now I want to mark it on 5. I can actually draw a line on 5. See, if I want to change the color also, I can actually change. I'm going to change the color. Now I'm going to annotate on 4 like this.
Oh.
So this representation can be given to the students.
Oh.
Yes, ma'am. So this is how you do it, and yeah.
By using Zoom tool, we can annotate on
Yes,
this
ma'am. Because
image.
Zoom is underneath this, like it is a software thing. So how it is a little complicated to explain. That's why.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah. So this is how you do it, and you will be able to comfortably teach like this.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, Sumitra here, sir.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, sir. Actually, I am handling Hindi language, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, when we show that images and all the things, no, sir, that time while writing the languages, bit difficult, sir, on the screen. So any other options are there to cut? We can type in the word and we can paste it on the screen, sir.
Ma'am, there is this option that we are having. Like I'll just show you. Like if I want to actually put a.
This is easy, sir. This one I tried for KGs and first and second. We can do this one because in first that time we are teaching them basics.
Yeah.
After third standard, we need to explain them and some words we need to write on the screen.
Words, there is actually a write pad that we are having. It is actually a writing tool that I'm having. I will just share it right now, if possible. So there, I do have a sketch pad over here. So with that, I'm able to annotate. I will just show that to you.
Okay, sir.
So I don't know Hindi, but I will just show it in English. How
But
to
sir,
do it.
same time we can't write and we can share the image also, no, sir. If we want to share the writing part, means the which one share we are sharing the content like fruits and vegetables, festival pictures. That picture will go off, no, sir.
Yes, ma'am. You cannot show like two images currently, but we are actually working on it so that you will be able to put two images together. Like A is equal to apple and and. So if you want to actually teach them A is equal to apple and you can actually teach them. And if you want to write like you are writing on a board, you can actually do that like this. Like
okay. Which tool is this, sir?
This is actually a pad that I'm having. This is actually a pen and the digital
you
pen.
Kept that board and you are using that.
That is why I am
using to write.
This is actually a tool. This is actually a device that we are able to write comfortably. This is actually a sketch pad that we can actually write comfortably, or you can use your mouse also like this. This is actually written by mouse, but it won't be that perfect because you are triggering it with mouse, right? You definitely need a pen for this. That is why.
Yes, sir. We are trying to write from the but the numbers and English we can write, sir. For languages, this bit difficult to write with
yes,
the mouse.
That definitely.
So any other,
you need
if you provide cut, copy, paste, that thing means that is easy to show this thing, sir.
Yes, ma'am, we'll definitely provide, but not now. By the future, you can expect an update on that also.
Okay, thank you, sir.
And definitely you are, we'll be taking all the suggestions where the teachers who are actually requesting. This your content is also something where the teachers actually requested. So we are actually kept that. So like that, we are actually bringing in more and more things where we are able to improve this.
Okay, thank you very much, sir.
Yes, ma'am. So like this, you are able to even bring out a board also out here.
Board, okay. Yeah, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
Yes.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, actually, for teaching maths, formulas and all, how did you make this board, sir, right now?
Ma'am, this is actually an image that I had. This is actually a board's image that I had. I was just writing on top of this. See? Like this, I just zoomed in, and this actually appears to be like your class board, isn't it?
Class board, yeah, sir. That's the thing.
So I just took the annotation tool, and I am just going to teach. Suppose if I want to teach like 1 + 1, I'll just go. 1 second.
Sir, even with the zoom tool, can we annotate here?
Yeah, you are able to annotate. I'm just going to show that like A plus B, 1 + 1 is equal to 2, 2 + 2 equal to 4. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. You are able to give like this. This is actually an example that I wrote, but here this is also possible in this. So the possibilities are like so much in this. That is what I told you.
Yes, sir.
So like this, you are able to do. Not only that, but you can use your mouse also for this.
But the screen should be from the, we should keep ready, no, sir? This black color.
Yeah, this you can actually download it from Google.
We can download and keep it.
Yeah, this is all downloaded images that I'm having. If you want to actually show them, you can actually show them without your presence also like this.
A blank screen, so that one.
Yeah. This
yes,
like this also you are able to do.
Yeah.
So like this also you are able to do, and you can actually write on top of this also. Not a big issue like this. J.
Oh, yeah.
Like this also you are able to do. So these are also possible in this.
Sir, please share the Zoom tools and show one, sir.
Zoom tools, actually, while your share screen in itself, it is there on top, right? Annotated like that one tool is also there. So you can actually use that in this.
Okay, thank you.
This will actually perfectly work in this.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
We can show.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is Shilpa, and if I'm supposed to like take a picture of a flower and to explain the parts of the flower, and if I don't want to take the picture of from Google,
Hmm.
so is it possible that I can take a picture and can I show it in a 3D model? Is it possible?
3D, ma'am, for a 3D model, there are actually 3 axes that for like X, Y, and Z. So the thing is that there is no Z side for a photo, only an X
Right.
and Y is there. That is why you are only able to rotate like this. This is actually an image. That is why only you are able to. So if you are having a flower photo also, you are only able to rotate. But there is content in this where you are, if you're a biology teacher, right?
Right.
Yeah, I understood. So there is actually a content in this where you are able to show the flower and the petals and all these. That we are actually created a content like that also. Like this is the flower, this is the petals and all. I think I will be able to
Okay.
show that.
But sir, if my question is, if I'm choosing any picture from Google or something like not from your library, do I have to go for particular quality of the picture, which can be like 3D or something? Can I
Yeah, you
access?
can. Yeah, you can access, ma'am. You can access. So
What
these
what
are,
type of images we
ma'am,
have to look
those are
for?
known as PNG type of images. So like this,
NG.
so yeah, PNG. This is actually a PNG image. Over here, the borders are not there. Only the content is there. So it looks like a 3D image, isn't it? See?
Right, right.
Yeah. So the same effect you will be having if you are having a flower. Same effect. This is some other example that I'm having. This is actually a ball. This is a PNG image of a ball.
So
And
any PNG images from Google we can
yes, ma'am.
display.
Yes, ma'am. Like this also you can display. This is actually a ball, which is the image is only rotating, but it seems to be a 3D image, isn't it? Because
Right.
all the faces of a ball are same. That is why it looks like that. So like this, so many things you are able to do. Not only that, for this happy birthday also, like there are students, we do celebrate happy birthday for children, isn't it? Why in the classes? So you are actually able to bring them and you are actually able to speak like this also. Happy birthday to you. So if what you are able to, so what is my point is that you are able to bring a feeling for that student. Like, yeah, literally you are actually celebrating like you are in a class by ringing happy birthday to, and you can even write his name over here. Like that also you are able to give that particular feeling for the student. This is also possible in this.
Yep. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Possibilities are so
Sir,
much.
we can teach you sphere also, sir. Concept of sphere using this football.
I'm sorry. Hello, ma'am.
Concept of sphere in this football, sir. Spherical shapes for
Yes, ma'am.
mathematics.
Yes, ma'am. We do have contents and we are actually bringing more contents also, like the cuboid and triangles, rectangle and all. We do have some contents like that, like shapes, that is for the KG. But for mathematics, we are actually bringing in good contents so that the circumference of a cuboid and all. If you're a math teacher, you can actually understand, right? What I'm trying to say. So the content is actually under development and we are expecting by this mid of June.
So the options which are available on this, which are visible on the screen, are the options only to like use, change, or delete the images, or can we see on the screen? Like, how do we change the image? Suppose I have shown first image and I want to go to the next image.
Okay, ma'am. So suppose this is the image that I have shown first. Okay, so I want to change this image to India's map. All you have to do is select this image, choose file again, and I have to select another image. So here you have the map of India. This is actually 2 images that I've actually.
When I click on that.
Yeah, once again, all you have to do is click on it and it shows another file. That's it. You cannot remove the image, but you can actually choose another image. Like this.
It is also like applicable for the annotation.
Yeah, it is applicable
the
for
annotation. What we do, or do we have to clear it?
Yeah, ma'am, you have to clear it, ma'am. Like this. Suppose if I'm going to take another image like this annotation is already there. So if I don't clear that, it will be staying over there itself. So all you have to do is just clear it. Just select the clear.
Where is the clear, sir?
Ma'am, there is an option. There's a dustbin kind of option over there. Clear and clear all drawings. There it goes. Or you can choose the erase option also. So like that, possibilities are there in this. So this is how it goes.
Sir, when we use, sir, once can you show me the use of pen here in our own image?
Use of pen, yeah, definitely. Let us take this chalkboard, for example. This is actually the chalkboard that I'm having. So I hope somebody has written on top of it. So I'm gonna write something like I'll write my name, Joseh. If I wanna write Hindi also, I'm gonna write Hindi.
Okay, sir. So it's not come because when we tried for the first time in our image, the pen was giving a continuous strokes. Like wherever we'll stop, it will come
Yes,
and
ma'am.
connect the same line.
Yes, ma'am. Use a Zooms tool because in that annotation tool, if you're using it, it will just go underneath because the image is actually coming on top of the application. That is why. And Zoom is actually coming on top of this application. That is why we are able to write on top of this.
So so now we'll not be able to face that problem.
Yes, ma'am. We are actually clearing it, ma'am. In this next update, that is also cleared. That issue is actually cleared now. Yeah.
Okay. And one more thing, sir. When we are using our own image, then we can record the session?
Yes, ma'am. This the session which I'm doing is actually recorded.
No, that is recorded by Zoom, I
Zoom.
feel.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, you can actually record.
Tutor.
Yeah, Tutor also you are able to do that. There is a recording option. You can use that recording tool also.
I think for choose image it is not available.
Yeah, choose images it is not there. You will have to use an external software like an air recorder.
Achha, yeah. Only we can record only with the sources given by Tutor app.
Yes, but the update is but that update is also coming for this one. This one is also it is coming. There was actually a technical problem, but we actually solved it, and that is also coming in this.
Achha, okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Sir, there is still a slight confusion. Suppose if I'm taking class on Zoom.
Yes, ma'am.
And I am not like, do we have to prepare a video and keep it ready, or can we like choose on the spot? Like we can keep the images ready and we can share. So
Yes,
how
ma'am.
you are sharing the screen? Like, is it like normal the way we share the screen on the desktop using the laptop or desktop?
Yes, ma'am. It is the same normal way. No issues.
And will it be visible to the students?
Yes, ma'am. Since I'm doing this, it's the same way only you will have to do. No, there is no changes. Like you will have to select that share option.
Suppose in the Zoom, it comes like share, and then it is like a screen share or any other PDFs or any other PPTs. Whatever we want to show, that will give in a time.
You are using a mobile phone, right?
Right now, I'm using mobile phone, but I'll be taking class on the laptop.
So there's a difference. If you're using a mobile phone, there will be an option known as screen. If you select the screen, your screen will be visible for everyone. And you just have to select Tutor application. Once you select Tutor application, the Tutor Pro's image will be actually coming up. The Tutor Pro's, not only image, the whole software will be coming up. So the children will be seeing the software, and what you do in the software, the children will be able to see, including your face.
And what about in laptops, sir? When I'm using laptop?
Same issue, same thing. Okay. But the thing is that you will be able to select multiple windows. Like, yeah, so you will have to only just select that Tutor Pros window. So the student will be only able to see that Tutor Pros window.
Right, sir. Okay, thank you.
Yes, so like this, you are able to do it. So this is how it is, and I hope all the teachers understood how to use it. So
I just wish to know when it will be downloadable for Apple and Mac devices.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So we got our latest update by the next week. It should be available. Like within 1 or 2 weeks, it should be available for the Mac store.
Okay.
Okay. Thanks. So they've been talking with them, and they are actually agreed with our terms and conditions. They're actually working on it. So 1 or 2 weeks.
Thanks.
Yeah. That is how it is. So I hope everybody has got a clear idea how Tutor works.
User ID password will be given separately, sir, for all.
Ma'am, actually I have shared it on the screen. I'll just share it again on the chat.
Demo user ID, na? Same thing for all.
Srinivasan sir, the username is common. Username and password is common for the trial.
Okay.
I got your question. Yeah.
User ID password it is given now, same for all.
Same for all, sir.
Okay, okay. This is what you given demo 02, tutor at 02.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
So Pooja ma'am, this one is actually valid till tomorrow, ma'am. This
Yes, sir.
username and password is valid till tomorrow. You can use it till tomorrow.
So one more thing, like whatever the app we downloaded in the mobile, the same app we have to download in laptop also, or is it different for laptop?
Ma'am, it is the same application.
Same
Only
app,
thing
right?
you have to go to our website. As I have given you the link, I'll just share you the link again.
So please share it, sir, so that.
Yeah, I'll just share it again. So
You have to choose between Windows and Android, right?
Android. Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Joseph, share your screen and show it again. Go to
Yeah, I will just share my screen, show how this is done. So let's just go into the app, store. So this is the website. Select link. You will be going into the website, and there's just two options over there. You just have to select Windows, and a file, zip file will be downloaded. So once it is finished downloading, you should actually unzip the file, and there will be these four options given: tutor and other supporting files.
Joseph, now there is no unsecreted. It's a direct installer.
I'm sorry.
It's an installer file.
Yeah, it's an installer file. Sir, you're not audible actually. So it's a.
So just we have to click on those Windows, sir, Windows option, so that it will be downloaded directly.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. And once you select it, it's actually an installer file. All you have to do is install it in your computer. That's it. And you will be able to use it.
Someone can share the link in your teacher WhatsApp group, please.
Sure, sir, sure.
So this is how it is. I hope all the doubts are cleared. If there is
Sir, I
any
have a doubt, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, I tried with this app. I took the topic of animals, and one by one I was taking the animals that objects beside me, and I was explaining to give it more effect. What I did in Zoom, we can set our background, right?
Ma'am, Sahida ma'am, your audio is muted.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
I understood your question. You want to change your background, isn't it?
in Zoom, to give it more effect, I changed my Zoom background,
Yes, ma'am.
and then I tried with this app, but it was not coming. Sir.
Not coming. So that is common, because the thing is that you were using Zoom, isn't it? So once you're actually closing Zoom and you are opening Tutor, we cannot use a background. We can only use by augmenting it. We can actually use an augmented image next to us. So while you're using that, your background should be blank, not blank, should be in real. That is why.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Excuse me,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, after getting the recording, the audio and video are not matching and they are not in sync.
Not in
So,
sync, like.
Is it normal or it
No.
happens means or in
Ma'am,
our
which device
network?
do you use, ma'am?
No, I'm using mobile.
Mobile, okay. Try it using a laptop. It will be definitely on sync. When it using a mobile, it depends on the hardware, ma'am. That is why.
Yeah, mobile has its own limitations, right?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. That is why.
So whatever the video we got in that WhatsApp group, in all the videos, audio and video was not in sync. They were not in sync. So it is normal, or if we will use laptop, then it will be okay.
There are tools which can decrease your audio lag, but on bare necessity, what do you call their requirement only, you should record the video and send it to a student who is absent. That is a feature which we have added. Slowly the audio lag also will, with device, if there is an inferior device, then we cannot do anything on that.
Okay, sir.
Yes, ma'am. We will be clearing it. I'll be looking into that issue and we'll be clearing it.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So I hope all the teachers' doubts are actually cleared, right? So how was the app overall? How did you feel? Was it actually used? How did you feel about the application? Is there any? Is it good?
I think we should share a feedback form also.
Yeah.
Do you have a feedback form?
Yes, sir. We do have a feedback form. I'll be just sharing it to you. So how's the demo, teachers? Did you like it?
Yes, sir. It was
Wonderful.
It was wonderful. One more thing. So like when we are working with this app, if you have any doubts, like are you going to guide us, sir? Like is
Yes,
there
sir.
any
Definitely,
contact numbers
definitely.
so that
Definitely.
we can take some guidance
Mahesh
from
sir
you?
will be contacting. Mahesh sir will be guiding you. I hope. He has given us contact number, right?
So please provide us contact numbers so that while we are working on this, if we have any doubts, we can get your guidance.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. No issues.
Jessica number is already there in your invitation. You can, if something is really critical, we'll definitely support you. And we will have a second round of training once school has bought the software.
Yes.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Myself, Hamsa. So I just have a doubt, like username and password, will it remain the same for a long time? Like, can we use the same thing?
No, ma'am. It will be only available for 1 day. That is, till tomorrow only it is available.
Yeah, later on, what can we use it, sir?
Ma'am, we will be contacting the management, ma'am. So it will be decided by the management.
Okay, okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am. So that is how it is, and I'll be sharing you a link. I request everybody to actually fill that form after this session. So could everybody actually turn on their camera so we can actually take a big photo? So there are like 6 pages, so I need to smile constantly for 6. I don't know which page you will be coming in. Okay, so I hope let us take the photo, right? Yes, Shwari ma'am there, Rekha ma'am, yeah. So let us take a photo. So I just say cheese, everybody. So the second one. And one more. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you. I hope the
Thank
session
you.
was
Thank you, sir.
interesting.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you so much, sir. It was
Thank you,
wonderful.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank
you so much, sir. Really, it was wonderful. Thank you so much, sir.
We'll have thanks from Jashida, one of our business manager who arranged this meeting. Special thanks to, Jashida. Jashida will say the vote of thanks now. Yeah, she's there, Jashida.
Good evening, everyone. Honorable dignitaries, distinguished guests, and principal, and all the teachers of General Vidya Mandir, Vidyanagar. On behalf of Beta India, Born International Techno Agencies, it's my pleasure to propose a vote of thanks. I express my sincere gratitude to Mr. Joseph Edwin, Business Development Manager of Tutor App, who shared his precious time from his busy schedule to grace this occasion and enthusiasm to all of us how to use the Tutor App effectively. Thank you, sir. I will take this opportunity to express my deep regards to Mr. Mahesh, sir, founder manager of Beta India, for being a constant motivator and for guiding us. Thank you, sir. My deep sense of thanks and appreciation goes to Ms. Ishwari Sharma, Principal of Jantar Vidya Mandir, Vidyanagar, for gathering all the teachers for this occasion, for this presentation. Thank you, ma'am. Once again, I take this opportunity to thank all the teachers for joining this Zoom meeting. Thank you.
So we have a meeting with Srinivasan sir.
Yeah, fine, sir.
So everybody, bye.
So thank you.
Okay.
Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye,
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Call on the video.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.